gonna go fly this drone. Since you guys know that I said I'm gonna unbox it, I already unboxed it, but let's begin because I don't have much battery in my tablet. And here we go. Are you kidding me? This happens all the time when I start a video. Alright, camera. Look at this. I use my hand under it, then it slides, and then I have to really put it down. When it comes down, I just put my hand underneath it, and it flies. Remember those kid drones that they use these? Yeah, just like those, but are the 14H model. I'm 7, so I lied of my age. I told them, I'm like, I'm 14 years old. And then they are like, okay. And then they give me that drone. I lied of my age. I'm 7. Oh yeah, and thank you guys for subscribing. I have 5 subscribers. Thank you so much. But so far, get it 20 subscribers. I'm going to watch a little bit, and then I'll say you guys goodbye. You can see the lights and the function, but I don't want to really touch them because they'll cut me. But for you guys, ow! Ow! Oh, shit. So you can see it has a light, and it's also security. You also have to charge it. So when you it comes to you, and then it hits your hand if you guard something, and then the light goes on. When you come back, you know someone's still lit. So just never just. All right, so goodbye, guys. Follow me on Ebu and WhatsApp Yep, just do that, and I'll be pretty much with you guys. And I'm gonna hang out with you guys. When you hit that subscribe button, you know every time when to come hang out with me. So hit that button and hit the like button too. All right, see you guys next time. Goodbye.